Hello students, welcome to online class. Now here today we will going to do the chemical effects of electric current, the answers of part D and E. Alright, so let us start with the D section first. The first question of D section is draw a circuit diagram showing a dry cell connected to a bulb through a switch. Mark the positive and the negative terminal of the cell and the direction of the flow of electrons and the conventional direction of the current. So see, it is a circuit diagram shown to you here. This is a circuit diagram shown to you, and here this is the direction of the conventional direction of the electric current. It flows from positive to negative, and this is the flow of electrons, the flow of electrons or the flow of electric current, actual direction of the electric current. So this circuit diagram you have to draw for this question. Now see the question number 2. What are the advantages of electroplating iron with chromium? Chromium is a shiny metal. Chromium is a shiny metal that does not corrode and resist scratches. It makes iron look more attractive and also resist corrosion. Come to the question number 3. Discuss what happens when an electrolyte is dissolved in water and then an electric current is passed through it. Answer is, when an electrolyte is dissolved in water, it breaks up into cations, that is positively charged ions, and the anions, negatively charged ions. When electric current is passed through the solution, the cation moves towards cathode, that is in negative charged electrode, and the anions moves towards anode, that is positively charged electrode. This results in a chemical change. Okay, so let us do the next question number 4. What happens when electricity is passed through tap water? As you all know that tap water is a good conductor of electricity because it contains dissolved salts. So the answer is tap water will conduct electricity to some extent. This is because it has some salts dissolved in it. The electric current will break up water into its constituent gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Now, the next E part long answer question. First is, how will you show experimentally that an electric current can bring about a chemical change? What is this phenomena called? Students, in this you have to make a diagram which is given in your book, page number 202. That is the electrolysis process you have to explain in this. Okay, this is 15.3 diagram and activity 4. This whole process you have to explain with this question. Come to question number 2. That is, what is electroplating? How will you carry out electroplating of copper in the laboratory? So electroplating, maybe again you have to do this question from the page number 15.6 is the diagram and activity 5. In that you have to take spoon at the place of cathode, and copper which is to be electroplated on that spoon will be taken as an anode, right? So this is made up of copper, and this is made up of any metal which is to be electroplated. So this is done, and this is you have to again write the answer, and you have to read the answer from the book itself, page number 204, activity number 5. Clearly it is given there also. Okay, now see question number 3, the last question. List 4 uses of electroplating. Give the reason for electroplating in each case. Now the uses of electroplating. This is answer number 3. Chromium is a shiny metal that does not corrode and resist scratches. It is deposited on the cheaper metal such as an iron to make car parts, taps, bicycle, handlebars, wheel rims, etc. This makes them look more attractive and also resist corrosion. Second use is gold or silver is electroplated on jewelry made out of cheaper material to make it look attractive and expensive. Third is food kept in iron can get spoiled because of reaction with iron. So to prevent this, iron is electroplated with tin, which is less reactive than iron, to make tin cans. They are used to store food. Fourth is zinc is electroplated on iron iron used to make bridges, automobiles, water pipes. The coating prevent iron from rusting. And this coating of zinc over iron, this also called a galvanization. Galvanization process. Okay, in this galvanization process, the coating of zinc is coated over iron so that iron do not get corroded or rusted. So that is all. We have finished all the question answers of D and E section, and hope you all have got the answers. So thank you for now.